Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm so excited to be sharing my Scentsy family reunion box. It just came and I'm super excited. So if you don't want to see what's inside, if you want to be surprised for when yours comes, please do not watch this video because there will be spoilers. We are unboxing it. All right, you guys? So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And please comment below so we can be friends. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to SFR so we can meet up and say hello. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so my Scentsy family reunion box just came in, and I am so excited. SFR for short. Remember, if you don't want to see spoilers, this is not the video for you. But if you want to see what's inside, let's check it out. First of all, I think how cute is this? All the emojis on there? I think that's really cute. And it says on the side, Scentsy is you. Anything on the bottom just says Scentsy is you. All right, so let's go ahead and open it. You guys ready? I'm gonna open it with you. Oh, cool. Is this our, this might be for our lanyard. I don't know. Scentsy is you, and then it says it in other languages, which I won't even try to say. I'm not going to try to say these because I don't know. All right. This is super cute. Oh, there's all kinds of different little things that you could pop out and write on. So cute. I'm guessing that the large one is our name tag. So that's so cute. All right, so here is for my name tag, and here are my ribbons. We're gonna go through that. Here is my lanyard. We're gonna go through that. So let's open up the lanyard first and see what we got. Oh, that's cute. I always love the lanyards. I'm still using one of the ones from my first SFR. For when I go to work, I wear the lanyard, but it's really cute. It has little happy faces on it and says Scentsy is, and then you can fill in the blank. So that's cute. And then let's see which ones they gave me. They always forget the veteran one. I always have to go and get that one. Okay, so I got charitable cause because I sold some charitable cause warmers. Boot camp graduate. No, I didn't go. It got canceled. So I will not be putting this on my lanyard. Lifetime PRV 100K. Yes, I've sold over $100,000. And then here's another one, lifetime PRV 10K. USA. Trip qualifier. But is this for, oh, this should be, is this for Disney? I don't know if that's for Disney or not. I need to find out because I did not earn the Alaskan trip. I did not. Although I did earn Scentsy family reunion, and maybe that's what they count as that. And then director, and then 5-year achievement, because this year I get to walk the stage. I'm so excited that I get to walk the stage and get my 5-year. I'm super stoked. And so, yes, they did not send me my veteran one, but when I get there, it's super easy peasy. I can just go in and go to the desk and they will give me my veteran ribbon. So what we do is we pop this out, we put all of our information on it, and then on you do your ribbons like this. Do I still have one? I do, but I don't know where it is. Okay, so I'm excited about that. Now, my favorite part is our shirt. We always get a SFR shirt. All right, so let's go ahead and open it. Super excited. All right. Oh, it's cute. Aw. It's cute, and it's bright and cheerful, just like me. I love it. I love it. I think this is my favorite one. I love this shirt. I think it is so adorable. Yay, I can't wait to rock this. So that is what I got in my SFR box. Super excited. I cannot wait. And so that's it for today. I just wanted to share that with you. Quick video. I'm excited. And that's it. All right, you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.